Let's prepare this quick, easy, and absolutely delicious pasta. To a saucepan, add some chopped Spanish chorizo. Do not add any oil as the chorizo will release its oils. Saute for around 3 minutes to bring out the wonderful oils from the chorizo. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. After 3 minutes, add chopped garlic and saute for around 2 minutes or until the garlic becomes fragrant. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now add tomato sauce, and sun-dried tomato which I blended. For spices, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm using ground cinnamon. Yes, this is very delicious in this dish. Add salt, add chili flakes and mix together. I cooked the sauce for around 10 minutes or until the oil started floating to the surface. And at this point, add cooked pasta, add some of the pasta water to bring the dish together, mix together. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Add some freshly sliced basil. Again, mix together. Finish with some freshly ground black pepper. Mix together, cover and cook for just 3 minutes. And voila! The pasta is ready to be enjoyed. Easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.